Hey guys, how's it going out there? It's Jonathan Glazer here, and I have another cool course to review. This one is called 10k Vid Code by Dexter Paglinawan. So, um, before we go, as usual, you can click the link below and get an in-depth review of this on my blog, as well as view my bonuses I put together for this. And Dexter is doing something really cool for this launch. He's going to be releasing a never before offered bonus called Easy Sketch 3.0 or Easy Sketch Pro 3.0. So stick with me and we'll show you what that entails. But it's going to help you be able to make very informative videos using whiteboard animation software. So that's what that is. The course itself is all focuses on how to create videos that tell a story and that ultimately get the viewer to understand the product, how it's going to help solve their problem, and it's going to create more sales for you. So no matter what it is you're doing, if it's affiliate marketing, CPA, e-commerce, network marketing, or if you got your own product or business, video is a super powerful way. 80% of businesses online are using video, and tests have been conducted and shown that it increases conversions by 4.8%. So having video, if you're serious about marketing, having video is something you cannot afford to miss out on and ignore. So that's what this is. So what you're going to be getting access to is training on how to create your video to tell a story. So saga story selling. It's going to go over the basics of that, how to write a script, and then get the hook lines, how to get people to stay engaged with your videos, and then all to producing it, and then up to monetizing it, optimizing it, and then uploading it, and so yeah, you get in front of the right audience, and also that you get the link included in the right spot so that people are getting to the site that you want them to go to, and ultimately buying what you want them to buy. So that is that, and there's 5 modules. So I'll kind of give you just a little peek inside here, so you can see everything that's included in the modules, and it's super in depth. He did a really good job of putting it all together so that it's easy to follow, no matter what level you're at. So even if you're a newbie, you can do this, and highly recommend that you get on this, because it's only going to get better. More and more people are going to get involved in video, and it's just a way better way to get your message across than trying to use text or anything like that. People are more visual when it comes to videos. So that is the first module, and I'll show you the second module, but pretty much every single module consists of that amount of videos. So you're going to get a lot of value here for the amount that you're going to be spending, which is under $15. So I mean, it's a pretty cool, incredible deal, and you can probably get away with charging a lot more, but it's all about helping people. So there's module 2. There's only 5 videos there. We'll go to 3. I'll let you see that. So you're gonna get 10 there, and you can see what I'm talking about. It's all in depth. Each video focuses on one specific thing, so it's going to keep you busy for a while, and it's going to help you increase your results online. And then this is number 4. Now this is the production part. Now remember I said that he was including a super cool bonus. Well, here's where you're going to find it. It's called Easy Sketch Pro, and yeah, it's all about creating animated explainer videos. I'm sure you've seen them all the time. You can go to Fiverr and get people to do them for you, but I guarantee this is the software they use. So it may take a little extra time on your part to learn, but in the long run it's going to save you a buttload of money by actually learning the skill yourself. And you can control it more and put what you actually want in there, and not have to constantly communicate with your Fiverr designer. But if you want to use Fiverr, he included that service in here as well. So the choice is yours. So there's that bonus I was telling you about. And then finally, the monetization. So I was going to show you all what I just mentioned earlier, and then the resources that you're going to get access to, which would be Fiverr and a couple other sources that you can go to create videos. So that is all in there. Easy to follow, super in depth, and then you're also going to get case studies. So there's 3 different case studies here that's going to show you, real life examples, real life results using this exact training. And then here's the videos that this is what Easy Sketch Pro creates. So you can see here.
Wow, here's my story. It was around 11:30 p.m. when my phone rang.
So it does videos just like that. So that's it. That is everything that you're going to get inside this. Like I said, be sure to click the link below. Take a more thorough look at my my blog post. I broke it down just a little bit more in there, and even got some bonuses there that you're going to love. So that's it. If you haven't done it already, subscribe to my channel. Click the link below and snag this bad boy and use everything you learn there. And you'll see the results. So take care.